Okay, now we'll continue in the part 3. Now, see, I told you Lantoy has gone to her mother after discussing things with her father. Her father who tells that something has to be done for the equality of women in society. Yes, now she tells her mother. Yes, her father's words are still ringing in her ears. Now, still ringing means still she is feeling the words of her father, still remembering the words of her father of in the years of Lantoy, and she tells her mother of what her father has told her. And she tells her mother that I discussed this topic with father, and father has told me all such things that we have to do something, we have to find a way to bring equality to between men and women. Appreciative of her husband. Now Ashangbi is very appreciative, very grateful, very thankful, and she really is praising. Appreciative means she's praising, she's proud of her husband for his views, because very few men, children, remember, very few men have this particular type of view, particular type of attitude. Ashangbi says, your father is right. Yes, because Lantoy tells her mother that father has told all such things. And Ashangbi tells, yes, your father is right. In no society do women enjoy the same opportunities. And in no society, women enjoy the same opportunities, same chances enjoyed by enjoyed by men. Yes, because if you see in some places like in Saudi Arabia and all, still in many states in Saudi Arabia, take it in our country, women are not treated good, not treated equally. So here, same thing Ashangbi is telling her daughter. It is because of your father that I feel no difference or inequality at home. But Ashangbi is grateful. She is proud that her husband is very supportive. And that is why she tells Lanthoy that no, your father has never treated me unequally. Okay? But outside our home, but outside still there is differences. I have seen that women have been subjugated in many ways. Subjugated means dominated. Yes, उन लोग के ऊपर एक दबाव डाला गया है. They are treated badly in many ways. It is against the will of God. ये एक अन्याय है, because God has created man and woman equally. Children, you might have seen in many movies, in many serials. Yes, if the woman gives birth to the girl child, the man just leaves, removes her out of the house. But do you think it is only the woman who is responsible for giving birth to a girl child? No. We are big children. We know what science is. There is no inequality. In many countries in Saudi Arabia, there the man has many wives, and then he ill treats them. Is it correct? No. So many of our social reformers have fought against such injustices. So that only is Ashangbi telling her daughter that many women have been subjugated, dominated, controlled by men in many ways. It is against the will of God. God has sent men and women to our earth to share the joys and sorrows of life equally. जो भी सुख है, दुख है, the men and women have to share it equally. To share his blessings and to enjoy the bounty of nature equally. To share his blessings. Whatever God has given us blessings, जो भगवान ने आशीर्वाद के रूप से हमें दिया है, we have to enjoy the bounty. The bounty means the greatness of nature, the beautiful nature equally. This is what your topic means. So now Ashangbi is telling Lantoy, this is what your topic means. Ashanbi knows well that men and women are equal. Women who are half of human race. Yes, women are half of the human race, because if a woman is not there, a woman plays different roles. She plays the role of a mother, she plays the woman role of a sister, she plays the role of a daughter-in-law, and so many roles, and she has to really, these roles are more difficult than what roles are played by the men. Okay, and then she is telling who are half of human race are as important as men. And of course men are important, yes, it is important, but women are also important. She writes and talks about such topics. That is what Ashanbi does. She is a woman activist. She writes about such topics and also discusses, yes, talks about it. Her daughter, though a child, now her daughter is just a child, also understands well that her mother is not a person of lesser quality than her father. Yes, her mother is not a person who is of less quality than her father. If her father is a lawyer, her mother also is a journalist. She is proud. Yes, and students, don't think like that. If your mother is not any journalist, or not any doctor, or not any engineer, or not any type of profession, she is just a housewife, that also is a great work that she is doing, and she has to be respected for that. Yes, because see, she is working 24 by 7. Yes, whereas if you go to see a teacher, oh, from morning till afternoon, yes, that is her duty. A doctor does the work, comes home. But a mother, day after day, night after night, yes, month after month, year after year, she keeps on working. And sometimes she is doing overtime when her children are sick or such things. So, whether a woman is a professional or whether a woman is a housewife, she has to be treated equally. That is what Ashanbi is telling. Okay, now though a child also understands well that a mother is not a person of lesser quality than her father, she says, our home is full of love with you, mother. Yes, our home is full of love. Why? Because there is no fights. In many families, there is fights. Yes, father ill-treats the mother. Yes, father thinks that, oh, he is only doing the great work and mother is doing nothing. There are fights, and that makes the house a disturbed house. The family is disturbed, the children are disturbed, there is anger, there is tears, there is sorrows. No. If happiness has to be brought in the house, first of all, the mother and the father have to treat each other equally, yes, and spread that love to their children. The mother beams with joy. Beams means, oh, smiles with happiness. Why? Because the daughter also realizes this, that our house is full of love. At the words of her daughter, as a matter of fact, mother is the fountain of love in a family. Of course, this is true. Mother is the fountain of love. I told you, she performs so many duties. Yes, even if she is working, yes, she is still doing her duty at home. Yes, if ever students will get a chance, yes, read that one lesson I have in the past read. Yes, a mother's good night. Mother's good night is a lesson which tells us about the mother who, when she says good night, it is not like that chalo, she takes the bed sheet and goes to sleep. No, there are so many works after she telling good night to her children. Yes, she keeps on doing works. Now here also is the same thing. As a matter of fact, mother is the fountain of love. In a family, this bond of love is beyond comparison with anything else in the world. Iska koi equality nahi. Mother's love is the greatest. It is because of this that motherhood has been glorified. Glorified means praised. Yes. And women accept the challenges in the life to become a mother. Women accept. We will discuss this later in the next lecture. Okay, students. Bye.